Vast vineyards stretch across the landscape, where every bottle of wine begins its journey.
Each grape develops over months, absorbing sunlight, water, and nutrients. Their condition will define the final quality of the wine.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we take you inside a wine factory, from fresh grapes to bottle perfection.
Freshly picked grapes are collected immediately. Speed is essential to preserve their natural sugars.
Once harvested, the grapes are transported without delay. The next stage begins at the processing facility.
At the winery, large-scale production begins. This is where raw fruit starts its transformation. Grapes arrive in controlled batches. Each load is tracked and handled carefully. Conveyors move the grapes efficiently through the system. Consistency in movement ensures uniform processing. Initial sorting begins automatically. Unwanted material is removed at this stage. The grapes are funneled into holding systems. This prepares them for the next stage of processing. Massive tanks await the incoming juice. But before that can happen, preparation must be completed. The fruit begins moving deeper into the system. Transformation is about to begin.
The journey from grape to wine has now truly begun. And this is only the beginning.
The grapes are washed to remove dust and field residue. Clean fruit is essential for controlled fermentation.
Pressurized water reaches every surface. Even the smallest impurities are removed at this stage.
Excess water is drained immediately. Moisture levels must be controlled before further processing.
Keep an eye on the flow rate over there. Looks consistent so far.
Yeah, we're running smoothly.
Unwanted materials are removed using precision systems. Only the fruit continues through the process. Advanced sensors analyze color and size. Defective grapes are identified instantly.
Air jets remove grapes that do not meet standards. Consistency begins with strict selection. Only selected grapes move forward. The quality of input defines the outcome.
The next step removes stems from the fruit. This prevents unwanted bitterness in the wine.
Stems are extracted efficiently. Only the grape bodies continue onward. The grapes are gently crushed to release juice. This creates the base mixture for fermentation. Juice begins to separate from the skins. Its composition will shape the final flavor.
The grape must is now ready for transformation. In the next stage, fermentation will begin.
The grape must is transferred into fermentation tanks. Here, the transformation into wine begins.
Each tank operates under controlled conditions. Temperature and timing are carefully regulated.
The mixture contains juice, skins, real sugars. Yeast is introduced to activate fermentation. It converts sugars into alcohol over time. Fermentation begins as yeast consumes sugars. Carbon dioxide and heat are released during this process. Gas buildup is carefully released through valves. This maintains safe pressure levels inside the tanks.
Temperature control is critical during fermentation. Even slight changes can affect flavor development.
Mixing ensures even fermentation throughout the tank. All components remain fully integrated.
Active fermentation produces visible motion. This indicates the process is progressing steadily.
Different batches ferment at slightly different rates. Each one is monitored individually.
Samples are taken regularly for analysis. This helps track sugar conversion and alcohol levels.
The composition of the liquid is carefully measured. These readings guide the next steps. As sugars are consumed, activity begins to slow. The liquid gradually stabilizes.
Fermentation is now complete. The wine moves forward for refinement and clarification.
After fermentation, the liquid begins its refinement stage. Clarity and balance now become the priority.
The wine is left to settle naturally. Heavier particles sink, separating from the liquid.
Tiny solids gradually fall to the base. This improves the overall clarity of the wine.
Clear wine is extracted carefully from above the sediment. This process is known as racking. Filtration removes remaining impurities. Each stage refines the texture further.
Microscopic particles are captured during filtration. This ensures a clean and stable product. Filtration systems operate continuously. Every batch passes through controlled stages.
Some wines are transferred into barrels for aging. This step develops deeper flavors over time.
Barrels introduce subtle characteristics to the wine. The interaction with wood enhances complexity.
The wine rests under controlled conditions. Time plays a critical role in refinement.
Oxygen exposure is strictly limited. This preserves the intended flavor profile.
Not all wines require barrel aging. Some are refined in controlled steel tanks.
Environmental conditions are constantly monitored. Stability ensures consistent results.
Refinement is now complete. The wine moves forward for final testing and preparation.
The refined wine now enters the final stage. Quality control begins before packaging.
Clean bottles are prepared for filling. Every container must meet strict standards.
Each bottle is cleaned before use. This prevents contamination at the final stage.
The wine is filled with precise volume control. Uniformity is essential across every bottle. The final color becomes visible during filling. It reflects the entire production process. Bottles are sealed immediately after filling. This locks in flavor and aroma. Some batches are packaged in cans. Modern formats offer convenience without changing quality. Cans are sealed using high-pressure systems. This ensures airtight protection.
Multiple packaging formats operate together. Efficiency is maintained across all lines.
Labels identify each product batch. They carry essential production details. Precision labeling ensures a clean presentation. Even small defects are not accepted.
Automated systems verify every detail. Defective units are removed instantly.
Any irregular product is removed immediately. Only approved units move forward. The wine is now fully prepared for distribution. Only the final packaging stage remains. The finished products move into the final packaging stage. They are prepared carefully for transport and sale. Packaging protects the product during transit. Each box is designed to prevent damage. Cans are bundled for efficient handling. This allows easier distribution in bulk. Packed products move towards storage. Large volumes are handled continuously.
Robotic systems organize shipments efficiently. Each pallet is built for stability. Pallets are sealed to prevent movement. This ensures safe transportation.
Finished products are stored in controlled warehouses. They remain ready for distribution at any time. Orders are prepared for shipment. Logistics systems coordinate every movement. Products leave the factory in bulk shipments. They are distributed across different regions. The journey continues beyond the factory. Distribution networks carry the product to markets.
The products arrive in retail spaces. They are arranged for customer selection.
Customers evaluate quality before purchase. Presentation plays an important role here.
The wine is now ready for use. Proper storage preserves its quality.
From fresh grapes to a finished glass of wine, the process is complete. Every stage contributes to the final experience.